host or not?
Yes, ma'am. I'll continue from here. It's my class time only. I'll continue, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, I have done it.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum girls. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Waalaikumsalam, ma'am.
Okay, walaikum salam. Okay, what were the topics that we have covered? Like, I have shared the notes with the girls for the dictation and all.
Prospectus,
Okay, what were the topics in that?
red herring, self
Prospectus,
prospectus,
types of prospectus,
team prospectus, and
deep
advertisement
Okay,
prospectus.
prospectus.
okay. Lubna, start sharing your screen and show me the topics what we have done. Like the notes I have told you to dictate it. Okay? So show me the topics, okay? I'll make you a co-host. Start doing your work, Lubna.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm. Okay, next. Finished, Lubna? Till here we have finished.
No, ma'am. More two pictures are there. This was the first picture.
Okay, show me the first picture, very first picture. Where from where it is?
This, ma'am.
Okay, the next picture.
This, ma'am.
Okay.
Second picture.
Uh, okay, then next after that.
This is the last picture, ma'am.
Okay, so till here everyone have completed in the notes.
Yes, ma'am. I have dictated till here from
Yes,
starting.
all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you
Yes,
completed the
ma'am.
notes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Completed.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Sumaya Khan. Okay. Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. What happened to the others? You are in mute. Yes, what happened? Okay, we'll do one thing. I'm just muting all of you. Okay, now just Shalibanda branch girls, raise your hand that if you have completed audio notes. Shalibanda branch girls, raise your hand if you have completed audio notes. Till yesterday, what the notes were given, you have completed or not? Everyone just raise their hand. Ashraf Unisa, Ismat, Farhana Khatun, Husna, Mahinaz Fatima Maria, Samia Imad, Sara Beg, Shagufta Naz, Uzma Fatima, and who's this NK with the name NK? Who is this? Like, have you girls completed the notes or not? You didn't raise your hand. Yes, Ismat Unnisa, Farhana Khatun, Husna, Maria, Ruksar also. Ruksar and Sara Beg, Shagufta Nas, Marwa, and who is this NK with the name NK? Who is this? You girls are still not raising the hand. Have you completed the notes or not?
I think, ma'am, some girls has written and some girls have taken the screenshot.
Okay. Okay, Shagufta Nas, you have to complete it till today, okay? You make sure that you are completing it till today. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, Samia, I read your message, okay. What happened to Marwa and who's this NK with the name NK? I told there should be full names, okay? NK, who's with this name NK? And you girls are not allowing your mic to open. And Rukhsar Begum from Salibanda branch, Maria, Farhana Khatun. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, now Malakpet branch girls, how many of you completed? Raise your hands. Malakpet branch girls. Why there are still less numbers in the Malakpet branch girls? What happened? Aisha Kaleem. See, if the notes have been given, running notes or the dictation has been given in the class, why to take the screenshot? If I want to give the screenshot, I should be just forwarding the notes, okay? If I wanted to give the screenshots or I wanted to give the notes, I must be sending you in the groups, okay, in your Google Classrooms only. Then what is the meaning to take the notes in the class and you are not completing the notes in class? Yes, there are only 12 members in Malakpet. Samia Imad, Yasmin Fatima also, and Kamar Banu. Okay, as for your publications and all, still I didn't get any confirmation like from the management which publication to follow and all. Once I'm confirmed with that, I'll let you know. Okay, don't worry. You will be getting the publication very soon. As soon as possible, you will be getting your publications. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's begin with the class. Okay. So this is the first picture, Lubna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as girls, you know about this prospectus, okay, prospectus topic and all. What is a prospectus actually? Tell me. Yes, I'm unmuting you, all of you. Like, what is a prospectus? Tell me.
It is a
It's
document
like an
or
advertisement
notice
for
or a
inviting the public,
circular
for
advertisement
attracting
or
the
invitation
public
to the
The
public
shares and
for
debentures.
its
to deposit
organization.
money or to take the shares
Yes,
or debentures of the company.
yes,
company.
exactly. Yes, exactly. It's like an advertisement, right?
Yes.
Advertisement or like a kind of promotion, like your company to get promoted. Okay, for what? For doing what?
For
Advertising
taking
for what?
For
for
attracting
depositing money to for the sale of shares and debentures.
Like to whom to attract like this, preparing this
Public.
advertisements and all, like your
to attract the
General
public.
public.
For
yes,
investment.
exactly, and that are known
Yes.
as investors to attract the investors, right?
Investors.
Yes, exactly, to invite the investors or the public from the outside for what? For the issuance of share in your company, right?
Company.
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, all of you mute yourselves, all of you keep on mute. Okay, fine. So requirements as to issue of prospectus of a company. There are some requirements that company has to comply with before issuing. There are some requirements. Like what are these requirements? We should be seeing what it includes in the prospectus. There should be disclosure of material matters. Moreover, it must be dated. Company must file a duly signed copy of it to ROC, that is your registrar of companies, for its registration. And SEBI examines the draft of prospectus to ensure disclosures and compliances. So these are the certain requirements that a prospectus should be including in it. Like there should be a certain requirement in there. What is the first one? That there should be disclosure of material matters. Material matters in the sense what? Like it is to be shown, okay, how much the amount is there, who are the members in it, the shareholders in it, okay. Like the contents in the prospectus. Do you remember the contents in the prospectus? What it includes in the contents? Like that contents only should be mentioned in your prospectus. Okay, so that are the certain requirements. Okay, that are the certain requirements that are to be there in your prospectus. Okay. Now, contents means like what will be the contents? I will be telling you the requirements and all. It may be like matter, like name and address of company, like its dates of okay, opening and closing of it, and a statement from board of directors, okay, inviting the public and all. Then who is the authority, and like what is the minimum subscription, and what are the detail of directors? Yes, who's this? And what are the reports, like some reports by auditors and all, and after that the declaration is being given. So these are the certain requirements, okay, the matters, okay, how the material matters. Like see a matter how the prospectus should be given is defined in this, okay, like how the matter, like if you are inviting the public, if you are inviting the investors for issuing the shares and all, like how you should present it, okay, the material matters, how you should present the matters, it is like that only. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, my voice is clear, Lubna? Am I clear?
Yes,
है जी तो दिखाओ अरे उन टीचर से मिलने जा रहे हैं उन्हें आपको देखते कि बैठा लेते चलो पढ़ो बोलते हो ना आपको
Okay, fine. Lubna, see to it that if someone is having a doubt and if someone is having some queries, they should raise their hands, because if I am keeping all of them on unmute, there is something or the other disturbance is going on. Am I clear,
Okay.
Lubna?
Okay, ma'am.
If someone is having a doubt, or someone raised the hand, or someone just message in the chat, just tell me, because I cannot, while explaining the topics and all, I'll be busy in the materials and all, so I cannot be seeing in that things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. So these are the material factors that should be given, and it must be dated. Like dates should be given, like when opening and closing, like when you are opening the issues, okay, when you are inviting the public, and till what time it is being given, okay, like opening, like in date should be given, okay, till so and so time it is being opened, and till so and so time it is being required, okay, opening and closing date should be given, and company must file a duly signed copy of it. Like a signed copy of it means a signed copy of this prospectus by the board of directors should sign this prospectus copy, and it should be given into ROC, that is Registrar of Companies. ROC means nothing but, okay, right somewhere in the somewhere near the point in the brackets, right? ROC means the Registrar of Companies. Okay, so this prospectus and all, it should be signed, and its copy should be given to the Registrar of Companies for its registration. Okay, prospectus registration के लिए भी इसको इसकी एक copy attach करना पड़ता, कहाँ पर? Registrar of the Companies के पास. Then SEBI examines the draft of prospectus. Now, I guess many of you knew what is SEBI. Yes, what is SEBI, girls? What is SEBI? Yes. Do anyone know about it? SEBI. What is SEBI?
Securities and Exchange Board of India.
Yes, exactly. Yes, it is. SEBI is what? Securities Exchange Board of India. Okay. So they, as a matter of fact, they should do what? Yes, exactly. They are handling this. They are handling the stock markets and all. Okay, they are handling the issue of stocks, issue of shares and all. So from there also, from that department also, the draft, this prospectus draft should be submitted. Ensure what and the compliances. To ensure any disclosures are there or any compliances. Like compliances means any obligations to this. Okay, to ensure that there are no obligations, there are no like there are no going beyond this topics. Okay, like if someone is opposing it, so there are no oppositions to it. Okay, it should be saying in all the things. Like compliance means no one should go in opposition of your prospectus. It means that. Okay, so these are some of the requirements. Okay, now the types of prospectus, there are different types of prospectus. Some of them are red herring, shelf, abreast, and deep. Now we'll see this one by one what it is. Now, a red herring, it is the offer document which contains all the details about the offer of securities. However, it does not include quantum of issue and the price of securities. Like, see, this is the offer document given. Okay, it is like kind of offering to the public. Okay, which contains all the details about offer of securities. Like, what are the offers of securities and all? It is like a kind of offer. It is being prepared like that, and it does not include quantum of issue and the price of securities. Like, quantum means it does not include the details and all. Okay, the merit details, the disclose, like it does not include any of the facts, material facts. Okay, it does not include quantum of issue and the price of securities. Furthermore, it is not the final prospectus, as company can update it several times before the final issue. Moreover, what happened in this red herring prospectus, it is not the final one until and unless the company will issue the next one with the final stamp or with the final company seal. It is not a final one. There may be changes going on in this red herring prospectus. Okay, before its final issue, the changes may be made from the code of company. Then issuer company needs to file it with registrar at least 3 days prior to the opening of offer. As we have seen in the material facts, means opening and closing dates should be given. So opening date, you are mentioning the opening date in your prospectus. Okay, before that opening date, 3 days before that opening date, you have to register this red herring prospectus. If it's your red herring prospectus, what it should include? It should include offer. Okay, it should include offer securities. Means that is the red herring. Means it gives an offer. Then next is, it is named in such a way because it contains a para in red link. Okay, a paragraph, a certain paragraph is being given in the red link. That is the reason. An offer line. Okay, where the offer is, exactly in which line the offer describes in the contract. That line is what it is being highlighted, or it is being given in the red color ink. Okay, so that is why it is named in the red herring prospectus. That states the company is not attempting to sell the shares before approval of SEBI. Like this red ink, like this red ink and all, it states what? That company is not attempting to sell the shares before approval of SEBI. Like before approval of SEBI, they are not going to do the sales and all. Okay, approval of SEBI is must. Okay, so this is the thing in the red herring prospectus. Okay, fine. Lubna, can you move it to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next is shelf prospectus. Okay. Now, what is a shelf prospectus? Company.
Asmat Unisa.
Company. Yeah. Unmute her. Yes, Ismat.
I unmuted Asmat. She is not responding.
Ismat, you raised your hand. What's the doubt?
Ma'am, once again, please tell her red herring.
Okay, it's not hearing, it's herring. Red herring. Okay, red herring.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Like, see, red herring is what? It is an offer. Okay, it's just an offer of the securities. Okay, it is like an offer contract is being created, not a final contract is being created. Okay, until and unless it is finally issued by SEBI, the changes will be made in it. Okay, some or the other changes will be made in it. Okay, so that is why it is known as red herring prospectus, and also it is known as red herring prospectus because one line, a matter of fact of that contract or this red herring prospectus is written in the red color ink. Okay, red ink, it is being highlighted in the red ink that it is only an offer to the public. Okay, an offering of the securities is given, that is known as that is why it is known as the red herring prospectus. Okay, and what else it includes? It includes that the SEBI, okay, a final approval of SEBI is needed for it. Okay, until and unless SEBI have not approved it, it should not be given out. Okay, it should not be issued to the public. Is it clear, Ismat? Hello, Ismat, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. You're welcome. Now, moving ahead to the shelf prospectus. Company can issue more than one issue from the single document. Okay. A single document is being prepared. Okay. With that single document, more than one issue of this prospectus is being made. Okay. More than one document of what? More than one document of inviting to the public. Okay. With that one document, with that one invitation, or you can say one prospectus, you can issue. Okay. You can issue, ask, or you can issue or ask for more than one shares. Okay. This is the meaning of the shelf prospectus. Furthermore, banks and financial institutions usually issue it. Like banks and financial institutions, they use this shelf prospectus to ask for more and more issues. Okay, with one document, with one prospectus, they will ask for more than one issues. Okay, issue of the shares. And who will use it? Banks and financial institutions usually use it. In this case, once the company files it with ROC, there is no need to file fresh prospectus at every issue. Okay, what it is stating that a shelf prospectus is what with one prospectus only. Sorry, with one document only. You can ask for each one, like more than one time. You can ask the issue of shares. Okay, and no need to create for the another one. Like no need to create another document. Or in this case, once the company files it with ROC, only one document or one time before the starting only you have filed it with ROC. There is no need to file fresh prospectus at every time. At every time means whenever you are asking one more time for the issues, you don't need to register it one more time. Once, only first time, the registration is being needed. However, it has the validity of up to 1 year. This shelf prospectus is having the validity of 1 year. Remember, red herring prospectus is an offering one. It is written with the red color ink, okay? And final approval is to be needed from SEBI. Shelf prospectus means what? From one document, from one prospectus only, more than one time you can ask for issue of shares, okay? And you need not to register again and again in the ROC, that is Registrar of Companies Office. You need not to register again and again for each and every issue. Only one time invitation. Starting time only you have to register it with or file it with the ROC. Now, abridged prospectus. What is an abridged prospectus? It means a memorandum containing silent features of a prospectus. Now, this one is the memorandum of the silent, the silent features of a prospectus, like purpose, all the things. Like it's kind of a memorandum of a prospectus. Okay, abridged prospectus means what? It's kind of like it's kind of like memorandum, okay, like details. It includes the purpose, details, and silent features of the prospectus. Now, furthermore, it contains the information in brief which helps the investor to take investment decision quickly. Now, it contains, as the memorandum contains what? The purpose, okay, and more important, it contains the silent features. Here we are talking about abridged prospectus memorandum. Here, it contains silent features of prospectus, means a detailed view of prospectus or like a detailed view of company. So that this information in brief, which helps the investor to invest in, take investment decision quickly. And then in next case, company needs to attach it along with every application form for purchase of securities. Now, this abridged prospectus, this should be attached with every application form for purchase of securities. Like whoever is purchasing this securities, for them, every, like for each and every form, like many of the investors will be there, like many of the issuers will be there with them, with when they are bringing the securities, or when you are selling your securities and all. With this, you have to fill in, you have to make attachment of this abridged prospectus copy also. With what? With every application form of purchase of securities. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. Is it clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Once again, repeat abridged prospects.
Okay, abridged prospectus. Fine. See, abridged prospectus means it is like a memorandum. Okay, like memorandum is what? Memorandum contains what? Memorandum contains the, okay, like in a general thing, I'm asking about the company's memorandum. As I told you, company's memorandum contains about the purpose, okay, like purpose and objectives of the company. Here also, this abridged prospectus is like a memorandum of the prospectus, okay. It contains salient features of the prospectus, like important salient features, like detailed features, okay, like a description, a detailed description about the prospectus, what you are showing, who are the shareholders, the profits, the losses, everything, like a kind of memorandum only, okay. It is being given here like a silent feature. Then next, it is important. Now, it is important for whom? For the investors, okay, to take the information from this abridged prospectus. That it is the abridged prospectus, and they knew what are the details of the company, what is the profit of the company, what are the losses of the company. So it is very easy for the investors to invest in the company. By what? By getting this information very quickly. And the next, in this case, company needs to attach it along with every application form for purchase of securities. Like there are been the purchase of securities also. You are purchasing your securities in the stock market and all. With every purchase, you need to attach this application. You need to attach it with this abridged prospectus with that securities. Whatever the company is purchasing and all, they have to attach this abridged prospectus copy with it. Okay, is it clear, Sana? Yes, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, red herring prospectus is
Yes.
having the validity of how many years?
Like we don't know any of the like details are being not being given, like how many times it's been valid up to. Like see, it's not like validity is not being given. Why? As I told you that until and unless it's final issue, it's been changes. Okay, the changes are being given. As it's already been mentioned that red herring prospectus issue होने से पहले कुछ ना कुछ changes होते हैं. So there is not like kind of validity is being given. Because we don't know when and what the changes will be given, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, please mute yourselves, all of you. Okay, moving ahead. It's a deemed prospectus now. It's a document which the company issues in case of offer for sale of securities to the public. Now, the red one is what? Red herring is what? You are offering your securities. Now, this deemed prospectus is what you are selling. Okay, you are offered to sell your securities to the public. Okay, you're giving an offer to sell the securities, like sale of securities to the public. This is a deemed prospectus. Like you are preparing this prospectus for creating an offer to sell what? To sell your securities of the company. To whom? To the public. Moreover, this document is an invitation to public to purchase the shares of company through an intermediary such as issuing house. So this deemed prospectus gives an invitation to public that they can purchase the shares of the company, okay, and through the intermediaries, like through the middlemen, they can purchase. The outsiders can purchase this securities or the shares of the company by an intermediary. Okay, a middleman will give the outsiders the shares of the securities of the company. Now, who are those middlemen? They are the issuing houses. Okay, that middlemen are known as the issuing houses. They will sell the companies. They will sell the company shares and the securities to the outsiders. Okay. Now, such issue house, like I will tell, there is no point for such issue house. I will give a detailed description for that. So this issue house makes offer for sale of debentures or shares within 6 months after shares were allotted to them. इश्यू हाउस को क्या करती कंपनी शेयर्स ये दे देती ठीक है कि दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द डीम्ड प्रोस्पेक्टस and they will be giving this shares to the company will be giving the shares to this issue house. Okay, now they will within the 6 months they were allotted. जब ये प्रोस्पेक्टस इश्यू होता उसके 6 मंथ में कंपनी इश्यू हाउस अगर उसका कंपनी का कोई इश्यू हाउस है उसको ये शेयर्स और डिबेंचर्स दे देती. ओके,
Yes,
then
ma'am. I'll
they
continue from here.
now they
It's,
agreed to
it's
allot it to
my
them.
class
Okay,
time only. I'll
and
continue.
on the date of offer of issue, the house issue offer of
Now,
issue house such
before
issue house
consideration
like
in respect
I
of
will tell
shares or
there is no fund
debentures
for such issue house. I will give a
will not
detailed description. Will see until and unless this within the 6 months if the company is not giving this issues to the house issue like a housing issue or whatever it is called, so this housing issue will not
Yes, ma'am.
accept it. Okay, this issuing house and all will not accept it. Why? Because within the 6 months of creating this prospectus only they have to give it to the middleman. Yes,
Ma'am,
Mariam.
issuing house is organization, kind of organization.
Yeah, they are like kind of. They are the middlemen. The name is given for them. Okay, they are the middlemen in the stock exchange market or in the securities exchange market. The middlemen who will sell these shoes, right?
Shares and
So they are
debentures
known
to
as
the
the
public.
issuing house. Okay,
They'll sell
they are not such kind of
the
organization, but yeah, yes, yes.
because in SEBI something like that.
Look, yes, your voice is not audible. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, Mariam.
Yeah, tell me. Now speak up. I think your voice was breaking at that time.
Now it's clear, ma'am.
Yeah, it's clear.
Ma'am, issuing house is a organization or something institution which sell the shares to public. My question is that.
Yes, it is like a kind of like. Do you know this the mutual funds and all how
Yes.
the working in the mutual funds will be, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All the financial institutions will mug up there, right? All the financial
Yeah.
institutions will mug up there. Okay, they will be at a place. There is not a certified issue house as like mutual funds. You know about mutual funds. There is not there is not one particular mutual fund. There are many collaboration of many people.
Yes.
Same here also. Issue house means a collaboration of many persons. Okay, the intermediaries who will be there. There is a particular
Okay.
institution for that.
Okay.
They will work for a particular. There is not a particular institution, but they will work for a particular institution like this.
Okay. Okay.
Is it clear now? Now
Yes.
that company where they are working, that company arranges company share, like which company is ready to sell their shares and all. They will arrange the company shares, and from here they will sell their middlemen for
Okay.
selling that share. That is the issuing house.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, now moving ahead, what else is include? When the company issue in case of offer for sale of securities to the public. Okay, fine. This is about the issuing house only, okay, which the company issues in case of offer for sale of securities. Now, if the company is issuing this deemed prospectus for offer of sales, okay, now this issuing house will come in consideration. Zomato. Like seriously, is the Zomato like what? I didn't get you. Adiba, unmute Adiba.
No, ma'am. It acts like the sale of the shares, ma'am. like Zomato did.
No. It's completely different for the Zomato people. Okay, like you people will be getting confused. It is like something different.
Okay, ma'am.
Like sale of food, where it is like sale of food, what you are talking, ma? Sale of food is something different. We are talking about the shares.
Yes, yes. Okay.
See here, like, see, deemed prospectus is what company is giving an offer for sale. Like here we are searching Zomato. Okay, fine. I will clear your example. You told about Zomato. We, the public, is searching for food. Here, deemed prospectus is where company is calling the public to purchase it. Understood the difference, Adiba? Yeah, Adiba, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Oh, okay, fine. No, not exactly a kind of delivery boy. It's completely opposite, as I told you. Here we are the people who are ordering our food. Okay, this is the company who is selling its shares, giving an offer to sale to public. That is completely different. See, deemed prospectus or red herring prospectus or shelf prospectus, it is given by company only. Okay, it is given by company. If you are given an example for this, like for deliveries and all, here we the people are getting that offers. Okay, we the people are going through that offers, not the company is giving such kind of thing. Here we are talking about the company. Zomato in itself is a company who is like creating like all of this stuff. Okay, like who is having the mug up of all the other partners, food partners. Okay, that is something different. Here the company is mixed up with any other securities or stock exchange marketed. That is completely different. Okay, fine. Moving ahead. Next. Moreover, this document is an invitation to public to purchase the shares of company through an intermediary such as an issuing house. Now, this point will be making you very clear that it is an invitation to public, okay, to purchase the shares of company through an intermediary. Purchasing the shares of company. Now, is having the authority to sell the shares? Company is only having the authority to sell the shares, okay? Through an intermediary such as issuing house. That intermediary is the issuing house. Okay. Now that company will give, as I told you, what is an issuing house and all. Now that company will give their shares in that financial institution that is known as the issuing house members. Okay, who are there involved working as the issuing house members. Now from there, each and every member is taking that. Okay, each and every member has having granted of the selected shares. Now they will be selling it to the public. Now, is it finished? Deemed prospectus?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I post the third picture?
Yeah, yes.
This is the last picture, ma'am. Advertisement of prospectus.
Okay, fine. Okay, I will clear you. I will clear you the doubt for deemed prospectus. Now, in general, tell me the meaning of deemed. Hello? Girls, I cannot hear your voice. Can you hear my voice? Lubna, is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, someone wants to speak. I guess like this voice is breaking from that side. Hello? Anyone is there? Like I cannot hear your voices, girl.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you. You're audible, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Like who was that about to speak? Like someone was about to speak. Fine. Yeah, suggest or consider. Okay, fine. That's the meaning for the deemed. Okay, fine. Suggesting or considering. So, as we knew that in this deemed prospectus, the outsider have to purchase it from whom? From the issue house. Now, this issue house is the suggester to the public. Okay, like this issue house are the middlemen, and they are suggesting to the public to purchase so and so company's shares. Like so, they are your company suggestors. Okay, like they are suggesting the public to go for your company's prospectus. First, the thing is, first the company will sell it to the issuing house, okay? Then that issuing house will resell this and they will create this offer to sell to the public. This is like this happened in the deemed. Deemed means in place of you, the issuing house is selling, okay? In the place of you, like fine, you as a company, you are not selling, but in place of you, the outsiders in case of whom, in case of you, like outsiders are issuing house, they are selling your shares. That is known as deemed. Like deemed is like in place of you also, you can say, or in the suggestion. Like this house of shares, like this intermediaries, uh yeah, tell it, Adiba. Yeah, you are unmuted, Adiba, you can
Ma'am,
speak.
it's like marketing the company. We can say.
Exactly, because it is coming in the advertisement, right? Prospectus is a
Yes.
part of like promoting
Marketing
only.
the company to suggest.
Exactly,
Yes.
exactly. Like this prospectus is a part, like I told you, it's a part in the promotion only. Like the promoters will be there to promote it, and the prospectus is being created by them only, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Nowadays,
exactly. It's
digital marketing also done.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. On the online side, yes, your company side is being highlighted. Okay, it should be there on the first page. Is that so, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. So is it clear now? Now you are clear. Any doubts with the deemed prospectus now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now you can
Thank you,
mute
ma'am.
yourself. Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, welcome. You can mute yourselves now. Okay, moving ahead, advertisement of prospectus. Advertisement of any prospectus alpha company is published. It shall specify the contents of memorandum of signatories and the number of shares subscribed by them. I guess there is some spelling mistakes in here. Subscribed by them is not there, it should be by them. And also its capital structure. Now, see, it's a kind of advertisement from the company, okay, published from the company, and here it shall specify the contents of memorandum, like signatories, like memorandum of signatories. As I told you, this memorandum, okay, this memorandum is what it's being given like details. Okay, the details here are given from the company side, like who are the shareholders, who are the subscribers and how much is the capital introduced here. These are all the things being mentioned in this. Okay, so this is the memorandum, and they specify the contents of memorandum of signatories. Like it, subscriber signature has also been given. Okay, as I told you, memorandum of association, in the topic of memorandum of association, I told you that subscriber signature is also mentioned, right? Who are the subscribers? Yes. Who are the subscribers? Who are the subscribers, girls?
Investors.
Subscribers of company.
Investors.
Shareholders. The shareholders of the company are the subscribers.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is difference
you
between
forget this
investor
point?
and shareholders? Because investors are who are investing in company. Shareholders are also who are having money invested in company.
Investor, yeah, like you are investing your company is fine, you became that person. But when coming to the company's point of view, you are bringing the capital, then you are the holder of what the part of share what you are giving.
I didn't
Is that
understood,
clear?
ma'am. Once again.
In BOM terminology, investor is known as a shareholder only, no ma'am?
Not in BOM terminology, but in this company's terminology, you can say it like that.
Yeah. It is same as shareholder.
So shareholders are not investors completely, but investors can be called as shareholders.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God, like who is this? Is this Saista or Sara?
मैच पॉइंट है ना, उसके बाद से सेलर में नीचे
Okay. You were there in the previous class? Like there's memorandums and all, like you were there in this class? Yeah, at the time I told you, yes, exactly. At the time I told you the shareholders and all, the investors and all. Yes, everything I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Moving ahead. Like this is an offer. Yeah, thanks to all of your doubts that have been popped up. We are being like in between. I have to stuck like a network, like a bad network. I have to break myself like a bad network, like seriously. Okay, fine, no issues, no issues. No, like it's not like a kind of offensive comment, but I am just telling it like that. Okay, fine, no issues. Your doubt are cleared. That's fine.
Yes.
So now moving ahead, this advertisement is like an offer to the public. A document will be treated as a prospectus only when it invites offers from the public. Whether shares have been offered to the public or not is a matter of fact to be decided by considering the circumstances of particular case. See, offer to the public document will be treated as prospectus only when it invites the. No need to be sorry, Sarah. Like it's a general thing I was telling. No need to be sorry. No. Okay, fine. Offer to the public means you're creating an offer, like you're inviting the public to purchase your shares. Okay, shares have been offered to the public or not is a matter of fact to be decided considering the following circumstances. If the circumstances are being created, then we will see that the shares are being offered or not. 3,000 copies of prospectus headed for private circulation only. They are distributed to shareholders of gas companies. It was publicly advertised. It was held that prospectus was in offers to the shares of public. See, 3,000 copies of prospectus headed for private circulation. It was being given for the private circulation only. They are distributed to shareholders of gas companies, and it was publicly advertised. It is being headed for private circulation, but they were distributed to shareholders of gas companies, and
while they have given to the shareholders of gas companies, then they have publicly advertised. So this becomes what your deemed prospectus. You had it for private circulation, but then the shareholders of gas company, they make it as publicly advertisement. Now you understood with the housing issues, like issue housing and all. This is the structure given here. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Yeah, fine. It's time for the attendance now. Okay, fine. We'll
Ma'am,
move ahead.
example not getting.
3,000 copies of prospectus headed for private circulation only. They are distributed to shareholders of gas companies.
I
And
got till
then it
here.
was now this shareholders of gas companies, they publicly advertise.
When they are giving for the private circulation, then why they are transferring to the public
The company
circulation?
who have issued ones, they have given for privately for this shareholders of gas companies. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Now this gas company becomes the suggestors, like a issuing house,
Okay.
and they are
So they
selling
will
it to
spread to the
publicly.
public.
Yeah, exactly. They are making as a public house. Issuing house. Now you consider the example of issuing house,
Yes.
suggesting.
Yes.
So this is this. It was publicly advertised. It was held that prospectus was an offers to shares of public.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, fine. Moving ahead, it's time for attendance. Okay. Shalibanda branch girls, raise your hand. Who is this from NK? Like Shalibanda branch NK. Someone named NK. Sufia Hussain. Umme Hani Tasneem. Raise your hand. I told for Shalibanda branch.
Sania Begum also did not raise. Sania. NK. Ummehani Tasneem also did not raise.
Yes. Ummehani and NK. Like seriously, you want the attendance or not? Mohammadi Begum from Shalibanda branch. We need to tell again and again to raise the hand for the attendance. Okay, Malakpet branch girls, raise your hand. Malakpet branch girls. Yeah, what happened to Kamar Bano?
Sorry, my mistake.
Okay. So everyone, we will leave now. All of you, Allah Hafiz.
Okay, ma'am. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah, Sana Fatima, I'll tell about the test in the further classes. Okay, whether on Monday or Tuesday, whenever it will be. I'll be telling about the test. Okay. Okay then. Allah Hafiz all of you.